morning, everyone. Today is February 14th. Right now is 6 a.m. I decided to do a quick scalp of the market. We're in pre market, so I'm waiting for my setup. So I have two indicators. One is the Pickles double stochastic, which I recoded and customized it, and also above on the top I have a indicator which I call the Velocity V1 indicator. So basically, one is direction and one is the trend strength. And so once the two lines turn the same color, then it tells me whether to go into an open trade. So right now I'm just waiting. I don't really scalp the market. I mostly create automated strategies based on conditions. And so I do have a Discord channel. I will put the link in the description. So if you haven't already, I have tons of videos. And right now I just opened a position. And so I'm waiting. So it just went to break even. And so I just moved my stop up. Okay, so now I'm stopped out. So like I was saying again, I don't really I don't trade. I don't have time to really look at the screen all day and trade. So I just create automated strategies based on specific conditions that I give, and it trades on my behalf. I am very conservative. So what I do before I actually trade the bots, which some people call, I do a vigorous testing of the bots. I use Market Replay to test the automated strategies. Sometimes it can take weeks, sometimes it can take 1 month to test them to make sure that they're profitable, and then I will trade them live. So if you haven't already, please check out all my videos. I do share some of my strategies, the methodologies that I use. I do show you how I test them. Also, too, I do show how the profits I make, how I deposit them into my bank account. So right now I'm waiting for another setup. Again, these are the two indicators, and so I'm waiting. One is it's basically a double stochastic, but I just customized. I changed the code a little based on my trading style. And the one on top is just an indicator that let me know how strong the trend is, either uptrend or downtrend. So now we're in a downtrend, and so I'm waiting for the trend strength indicator to let me know whether it's strong or not. So if it crosses the 50 line and it turns red, then I can go into the trade. So you can see here, yes, the indicator is letting us know that it is in a downtrend, but the downtrend is not strong enough, so I would not go into this trade. Okay, so now we're starting to see it curve up. So the double stochastic, some people use it differently. I Some people, when it is below 80, some traders use it as to let them know it's oversold, and then above 20 is overbought. So if it's overbought, then for them that's an indication they should go go short, and then if it's an over sold, then that's an indication to go long. But I use it differently. And here I just entered into a trade, because you can see here my trend strength is green, and then the direction is going up. So I'm waiting for my profit target to hit, and then I will move my. So I have four contracts on the initial. Okay, so I just my profit target just got hit, and so I have a runner. This is one contract, so I have a runner in case the price just continues going up, and I'll continue to trail. So once price goes maybe two, three ticks above, then I will go ahead and move my stop loss to break even plus one. So I'm just waiting. You can see that I have my button ready to press once it goes above the initial price. Okay, so I just went to break even, and it right right there it just went ahead and stopped me out. Okay, so I'm still waiting for another setup. So I could go in, but normally, as conservative as I am, normally when I go into a trade in one direction, I would wait to go into a trade in the opposite direction. So you can see here now we're going in a downtrend, and so we're looking for shorts. Short trade. Short trade just meaning that you're betting the market goes down. So you can see my profit so far this morning is right here on the right. So you can see here in the pre-market hours is a bit choppy. There is no clear trend. It is difficult to trade. Most traders avoid this type of movement, or they just don't trade at all when it's a sideways market. But there are opportunities where you can scalp and make profits. Again, trading is different for everyone. There's no one size fits all. Everyone has their own trading style. So what works for me may not work for you. And it is risky. And so if you have a good risk management plan, then you'll be fine. So I just got into a trade here. Okay, I just moved to break even. So if price continues to go up, then I will trail. So I moved it just a bit to lock in some more profit. Okay, I guess got stopped out. Okay, I think I would probably just go for one more trade and then call it a day. Oh, also, I'm just finishing up a presentation on how to trade futures. This is mostly geared for folks that have never traded or don't know what futures are. So it's a 15 slide presentation. I kind of break down what is futures, how futures came about, what is the different futures market, like the Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, gold, futures, and how why people trade futures as opposed to trading crypto and currency. Then I talk about like how futures are calculated, what are ticks. I talk about the strategies, what are the different strategies, price action, also to the different indicators that you use, because you have to know price action, know that we know what are candlesticks, what is short, what is long, what is profit target, what is stop loss. So I talk about that in the presentation, kind of very very simple to understand for someone who's wanting to get into the futures market, and how to trade. So that will I will be posting that video very soon. So if you can, if you subscribe, then you'll be notified once that video is published. So right now, what I did was I went ahead and entered a buy limit. So basically, a buy limit is just a kind of like a pre-order. I should say. So my pre-order just got filled, and so I'm in the market, and you can see the profit because now I just moved to break even, and now my one contract now I just got stopped out. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the data and text so that you can see the chart clearly. I did say I was going to take one more trade. Yeah, so let me just call it. So yeah, let me just go ahead and take one more trade. Okay, so that got filled rather quickly. So again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.